Okay, next na pag-usapan natin is your ALS or your amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Okay, this is also known as your Lou Gehrig's disease. It is a progressive neurodegenerative disease. Okay, anong nangyayari dito? Nagkakaroon ng destruction in the motor neurons. Okay, so nasisira yung motor neurons ninyo saan? Sa may brain and spinal cord injury. Wherein kapag nasira yung motor neurons mo sa spinal cord injury at saka spinal cord injury tuloy sa spinal cord mo at saka sa brain mo, okay, nagkakaroon ng muscle atrophy, okay, nagkakaroon ng paralysis, okay, nagkakaroon ng paralysis. Now, okay, ano yung mga modifiable risk factors natin? Smoking, it increases the risk, okay, especially kapag former and current smoker ka, ini-increase niya yung risk for having ALS, okay? Heavy toxins such as your lead, mercury, okay, selenium, pesticides, and your herbicides. Okay, we also have your repeated trauma. It also increases the risk of having ALS. Okay, next is your non-modifiable risk factors. Sa age natin kasi, development nito is from 55 to 75-year-old. Okay, and then male, it increases the risk, genetic mutation, 10% na pwede mong ma-inherit, and family history. So, ano ang nangyayari? Okay, sabi natin this is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder na nagkakaroon ng destruction in motor neurons saan? Sa may brain and spinal cord injury causing muscle atrophy and your paralysis. Okay, ang known cause kasi nito, it's your unknown cause kasi ang cause niya, 'di ba? Unknown cause. Genetics pwede. Okay, so ang nangyari dito is nagkaroon ng degeneration of the upper motor neurons. Okay, sa brain and lower motor neuron sa spinal cord ninyo. So pag nagkaroon ng loss of motor neuron function, nagkakaroon ng denervation of skeletal muscle. Pag sinabi nating denervation, the loss of nerve supply, okay? So pag nagkaroon ng loss of nerve supply, nagkakaroon ng progressive muscle weakness. So pag nagkaroon ng progressive muscle weakness, it will cause now your muscle atrophy or nagkakaroon ng muscle wasting, okay? And then loss of voluntary movement. Okay, so now, ano yung mga early manifestation for your ALS? Nagkaroon ng muscle weakness, fatigue, and loss muscle cramps. Okay? Pagdating naman sa lower motor neuron signs natin, nagkaroon ng muscle atrophy, fasciculation weakness, decreased muscle tone. Okay? Pagdating naman sa upper motor neurons natin, nagkakaroon ng spasticity, hyperflexia, and your positive Babinski reflex. Bulbar symptoms, okay, nagkakaroon ng dysphagia, dysarthria, difficulty of chewing, and late na signs and symptoms of your ALS is severe paralysis. Okay, inability to speak and respiratory muscle failure. Sino yung mga sabihin na natin artista or known personality na merong ALS? Si Stephen Hawking, and then yung namatay yung sa may Grey's Anatomy, yung isang doktor doon, okay, yung lalaki, yung latest lang na namatay, 'di ba? So, namatay siya because of ALS, and then isa rin to si Stephen Hawking. Okay? So, sila yung what? Sila yung mga nagkaroon ng ALS. Again, ano ang nangyari sa ALS natin? Nagkaroon ng progressive neurodegenerative disease. Okay, nasira yung motor neurons ninyo. Saan? Sa may brain and spinal cord. Progressive to. Okay, progressive. So, ibig sabihin, dinahandahan ka lang niya. Okay, hanggang sa kunin ka na niya or hanggang sa mamatay ka. Okay, that's your ALS.